Ready to dive into the fast-paced world of crypto but feeling lost? Today, we're demystifying crypto purchases with Photon, starting with account creation. Simply head to their website and fill out the registration form with your email, a secure password, and any required verification details. Once your account is set up, it's time to fund it. Photon offers multiple options, including credit cards for quick deposits, bank transfers for larger amounts, and even direct crypto deposits if you already own some digital assets. Now for the fun part, buying crypto. Navigate to Photon's trading interface. Use the search bar to find the specific cryptocurrency you're after, and carefully review its current price and trading volume. Enter the amount you want to purchase. You can choose to buy at the market price for instant execution, or set a limit order to buy at a specific price, then carefully review all the details before confirming your order. Congratulations! You've successfully purchased crypto on Photon. You can now view your newly acquired crypto in your Photon wallet. Remember to always do your own research and understand the risks involved before investing in cryptocurrencies. Happy trading!